Our prime purpose in this life is to help others. And if you can't help them, at least don't hurt them. Happiness is not something ready-made. It comes from your own actions. Love and compassion are necessities, not luxuries. Without them, humanity cannot survive. If you enjoyed the video, please like video and subscribe channel. In order to carry a positive action, we must develop here a positive vision. Be kind whenever possible. It is always possible. My religion is very simple. My religion is kindness. I find hope in the darkest of days, and focus in the brightest. I do not judge the universe. The purpose of our lives is to be happy. We can never obtain peace in the outer world until we make peace with ourselves. If you want others to be happy, practice compassion. If you want to be happy, practice compassion. When you practice gratefulness, there is a sense of respect toward others. Calm mind brings inner strength and self-confidence, so that's very important for good health. In the practice of tolerance, one's enemy is the best teacher. Look at situations from all angles, and you will become more open. Where ignorance is our master, there is no possibility of real peace. The best way to resolve any problem in the human world is for all sides to sit down and talk. We all have to live together, so we might as well live together happily. Friendship depends on trust, and trust depends on having a strong sense of concern for the welfare of others. Never trust a woman who tells you her troubles, but keeps from you all her joys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Jossan Quotes.